My name is Lawrence Boo Mitchell. I'm a musician, engineer, producer, composer, and the owner of Rural Studios here in Memphis, Tennessee. Our school system is nutty as a fruitcake. As Americans, we think that our stuff is the best way. And, we used to be at the top of the food chain in education and civics and a lot of things. And are we so proud that we're just going to let our country go to shit because we won't take the advice of anybody else? It's so shocking that our education system is constantly trying to get rid of music. Millions of people come to America every year because of the music. People's lives have changed because of music. Music has saved lives. I can't stress to you how important it is. Everything has a rhythm. Everything. The earth rotates at a tempo. When the rain happens, it's a rhythm, it's a tempo, it's music. Your heartbeat is a rhythm, it's a tempo, it's music. It's all music. We gotta wake up and realize that it's the music. It's scientific. It's spiritual. It's physical. It's everything.